everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up my Boxycharm for the month of April. So I did actually try 2 of the items in here today, so I have a little first impression reviews to include as well. I will link Boxycharm down below for those interested. And before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi, welcome, or welcome back. If you guys are new here, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you love them too, I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around. So I will see you in the next one. But yeah, let's get back to the box. I don't think Boxycharm needs much of an introduction, right? We all pretty much have heard of it. It's a beauty subscription though. If you guys are new to subscription box world, beauty box world. And this one cost $35 a month. No, wait. How much does the base box cost? You guys, I should know this. I feel like all the boxes have changed by like a few dollars. The premium is $35, and I think the base box is $25. But I am sorry, I don't know. I think it's around $25. So, and this is the base box, right? No, it's the premium. Okay, I am so sorry. I should have looked at the box. I'm so glad they label it. So this is a $35 box. So you get 6 to 7 full-size items. And let's see what the theme is. Boxy Spring Revival is the theme. So how many do we have this month? I think 6. Yes, we have 6 items, and I think I have the variation 4201, I believe. But let's get started. And how about we start off with the first item I use? And this is by Natasha Denona, and this is the Cupid Cheek Duo Cream Blush and Highlighter. And I love cream blushes. That's like all I use, literally ever. So when I saw this, it has a mirror too. This is what it looks like. I was worried it would be too dark on me, but it actually is pretty sheer. Well, I wouldn't say sheer. That actually looks a little bit darker here. Let me show you on my hand. It's like very dewy, which I love, and just a little bit of pigmentation. So I was really pleased. I just used my finger and dabbed it on. And then the highlight, I put this on my eyes. I was worried it would be a little bit too dark on my skin, but I think they actually worked out really well. Can you guys even tell? I'm looking in the viewfinder, I'm like, wait, where is it on my hand? So I guess that's like a good thing for me. I bet some people might be disappointed. I don't know. Let me know how you feel about this, if you guys got this and you have a deeper complexion. I'm curious how it shows up on your skin. I feel like the dewiness of it is like in kind of like a blush and highlight in one. I love that dewy look so much. So I really enjoy this. First impressions, love. And I really like Natasha Denona products. I don't know why. Like whenever I get something like that, I know I'm going to keep it. Like I love her eyeshadow formula the most. But I'm really excited about this. I know I'll get more use out of this. For sure the cream side. I really use just cream products lately, but I did apply a little bit of the highlight, like I used my finger and put it on my eyelids, and I really like that. So it's like something that I think I'll reach for when I'm doing a quick look, which is most days. And then the other item I tried, are you guys curious about the price? $42. That's expensive. The other thing I tried is a lip balm. It's by, where is it? Endota? I don't know if I've heard of this brand. Oh, it says new brand to Boxy. Cool. Hydrating lip balm, and I really like this. It's just a clear lip balm. It has calendula, I always say that wrong, vitamin E and peppermint oil, so it's a light peppermint smell, but it's not tingly or anything, and it's really moisturizing and not sticky. It's like the perfect lip balm. How much did I say? It was like $25. Yeah, it's expensive, but it really is nice. I almost didn't put on anything over it. I put on a little bit of gloss because it made my lips feel like juicy and cute, but like I just wanted a little bit of pigment. So this is clear, but I feel like I use stuff like this every day, so I'm happy to have it. And that's all I have tried. But next we have something by Dr. Brandt, and this is the eye cream. It's just called eye cream. Wrinkles, dark circle, and puffiness, it says. So I am still looking for the Wonder Eye Cream to help with my puffiness. I have been taking Claritin every day because I think it is from allergies, and I think it's getting a little better. So maybe that's just what I need. But I definitely need some hydration under my eyes as well. I used concealer the other day and it felt like patchy. I was like, oh my god, I never have dry skin like this. So I was like, maybe I need to focus more on the eye stuff. But next we have another new brand to Boxy. I just saw on the sheet here. It's My Beauty Brand by Me. Like, isn't that what the X means? Like, or with. Okay, My Beauty Brand is the actual brand, and By Me is the black liquid eyeliner. $20. It says your new holy grail says it's good for even those that are novices at wings. I should get back into doing eyeliner. The other day I did like a full-on makeup look. I just have been more into like quick, natural. I'm not going to open it, so it's a felt tip, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or give it to one of you guys in the monthly giveaways. But we have 2 things left. Ooh, I like Herbivore. This is their Boxycharm Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. Ooh, I might use this myself. It smooths the appearance of fine line and wrinkles with truly natural ingredients, and it's gentle enough for the most sensitive skin types. So it has Boxycharm, like I said already, but also it has polyhydroxy acid, which is a gentle exfoliator, and tremella mushroom. Ooh, what's that? Hydration superfood that holds up to 500 times its weight in water and helps skin retain moisture. You can use this AM and PM. Oh wow. Usually retinols, this is an alternative to retinol, but retinol is more like every other day when you first start. It looks like this, you can even use twice a day. Let's look at the packaging. Usually their packaging is pretty cute. Yeah, I always like their products. It's like a little purple color. Awesome. And then the last item we have is a body oil. I actually really like body oils. This is by Mitchell and Peach. I don't know if I've tried this brand either. Interesting. English Growers or English Leaf Body Oil is the name of it. I like the silver packaging. It is expertly blended and inspired by the Verdant countryside of the Foxbury Farm Estate. That sounds bougie. The Foxbury. Okay. It's deliciously scented with a green floral fragrance possessing both cut leaf freshness and intriguing depth. Contains almond oil and vitamin E. Ooh, I like how this looks too. I like simplistic packaging, but like that looks fancy. Does that make sense? Oh my god, it does smell like fresh cut. Why am I blending all my words? Fresh cut grass. Got it. Which reminds me of Mrs. Meyer's spray I have, a multi-purpose spray that's called Fresh Cut Grass. But this smells better. Like, not like that smells bad, but this smells more like wearable. It's not as strong of a fragrance. It's like lighter, but it smells really nice. I like this. Let's put a little bit on now. I always like to hydrate, especially my hands because I wash them so often. Yes. Oh, it feels nice. It's not like too oily too. It absorbs. You know how sometimes they just like stay on top of the skin? I like it a lot. Yay! I'm excited. I'm gonna leave this out here, so I use this. But that's it for today, guys. What did you guys get in your Boxycharm Premium? I'm sorry I didn't know at first when I was opening. I should probably know that. But overall, I really like the lip balm, and I like the Natasha Denona and the oil and the other things. I think I'm going to try out that Herbivore. Have you guys tried that yet? I think I need to start including that in my skincare routine, a retinol alternative. And the eye cream. Let me know how the eye cream is. I don't really use eyeliner again, so I'm not sure if I'll keep there or not. But overall, I like the box. I can't wait to hear what you guys thought about mine and yours. Let me know what you got. And again, if you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. So that means I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow.